Hi, in this video, we are asked to provide the solution of the indential equation given to us. So we have that 2 raised to the power of 2x plus 3 minus 129 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of x plus 16 is equal to 0. So at this point, recall that if we have a to the power of m plus n, this can further be expressed as a to the power of m times a to the power of n. So therefore, we have that this becomes 2 raised to the power of 2x times 2 raised to the power of 3 minus 129 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of x plus 16 equal to 0. So at this point, 2 raised to the power of 3 is equal to 8. So we have that this becomes 2 raised to the power of 2x multiplied by 8 minus 129 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of x plus 16 is equal to 0. So at this point, we can express here as 8 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of x all squared minus 129 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of x plus 16 equal to 0. Now, at this point, we can make a simple substitution. So we say that let p be equal to 2 to the power of x. So at this point, the equation in terms of p becomes 8 multiplied by p all squared minus 129 multiplied by p plus 16 equal to 0. Now, if you look at the equation is a quadratic equation in terms of p. Now, we can solve this equation using the factorization method. So we look at for two numbers in which their sum is equal to negative 129 and their product is equal to positive 128. So the two integers are minus 128 minus 1. Thus, the equation becomes 8p squared minus 128p minus p plus 16 equal to 0. So at this point, if we factorize, we have that 8p, open bracket, p minus 16 minus 1, open bracket, p minus 16 is equal to 0. So at this point, we have it that 8p minus 1 multiplied by p minus 16 is equal to 0. Thus, recall that if a multiplied by b is equal to 0, a is equal to 0 or b is equal to 0. So therefore, we have that 8p minus 1 is equal to 0 or p minus 16 is equal to 0. So therefore, we have that 8p is equal to 1. So therefore, p is equal to 1 divided by 8. Also, at this point, p is equal to 16. But recall that we made a substitution that let p be equal to 2 to the power of x. So therefore, we have it that p is equal to 2 to the power of x. But for p equal to 1 divided by 8, we have it that 1 divided by 8 is equal to 2 to the power of x. And also for p equal to 16, we have it that 16 is equal to 2 to the power of x. So at this point here, we can express that 1 divided by 8 is written as 1 divided by 2 to the power of 3 equal to 2 to the power of x. So therefore, this becomes 2 to the power of negative 3 equal to 2 to the power of x. So since their bases are the same, we have it here that x is equal to -3. Also, we can express 16 in powers of base 2. So this becomes 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 2 to the power of x. Also, since their bases are the same, we have it that x is equal to 4. So therefore, s is equal to -3, or x is equal to 4. So thank you so much for watching. If you know you found the video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more exam questions like this. Bye, and I will see you in my next video.